Cooking time. We're gonna do eggs. A little bit of garlic powder. Eggs in a pan, get them hot. Alright, it's getting there. This is leftover bacon, mushrooms, peppers. We'll get those in there. Yum. Alright, Colby Jack. A big omelet. Alright. There's no easy way to do this, so let's see if we can get under there. There we go. Alright. There's an omelet cooking. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try to flip it. That's mostly good. Pretty good for location. I'll show you the location. Pretty good spot for location. Alright, I flipped it again, but when I pushed the button it didn't take, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna flip it again, but I'm gonna move the pan off of here a little bit more stable. This table's not really level. Oh, I broke the whole thing open. Damn it. No, I didn't. It looks fine. You can't tell. Alright, back on the heat. I was too chicken to try a fancy pan flip. Oh well. Cooking happens, right? I'll put a little bit more cheese on top. It might melt a little bit, it might not, because it's cold outside. I could do this over a campfire, obviously, but I don't have a lot of firewood. Everything's wet. I got a little bit for a fire later. I don't need to keep recording, do I? I didn't think so. I'll put a plate over it. Try to keep some heat in there. Just for a minute if everything will stay situated. Warm the plate and keep the heat in. We'll call that done. We'll try to do it a silly way. See if we can do it. There's the omelet on there. Yay. Alright, we're going to go inside where it's warm and we're going to eat this. Alright, there it is. Omelet. That's good. I got a little toast here I made. Yum. Good stuff. I gotta grab the sriracha. That's RV cooking on Power. Great and wonderful day. So I made 2 breakfast videos on this trip. Flyover. There's your flyover. Sriracha makes everything better. Great and wonderful day.